We all want to glowing our skin. We have to go out in the sun for different jobs. Because of this, our skin loses its radiance. Today we will show you how to increase the radiance of the skin. Fast, take 1 tablespoon curd. The lactic acid in curd makes it the best anti-aging ingredient to be included in your skincare regime. It helps prevent wrinkles and the appearance of fine lines. Also, it tightens your pores and makes your skin radiant. Add 1 tablespoon rich flour. Apart from its anti-aging and skin brightening properties, rice flour benefits for skin include being a wonderful exfoliator. The fine particles of ground rice help scrub dead skin cells without being harsh on the skin. Rice flour can also be used to get rid of acne and absorb excess oil. Add half TBSP turmeric powder. Turmeric contains antioxidants and anti-inflammatory components. These characteristics may provide glow and luster to the skin. Turmeric may also revive your skin by bringing out its natural glow. Mix it well. Now apply this face pack on your face for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, wash your face with gentle scrub. To get best result, apply it every day.
Thanks for watching this video. If you want to get more solution, please subscribe our channel.